We're at 6029 45th Avenue Southwest. The date is March 19th, 2021. I'm making this recording from the inside clean out in the basement of the home. We are about 80-some feet out there. I got the camera footage zeroed out there, so we'll get a good accurate footage coming back from this point. This is located somewhere right near the city main connection. We got to be a bell away or so from there. About 12 feet deep out under the street. I'm having a tough time getting an exact locate because of this dive, but we're going to come back from this point and get a look at the side sewer line. So 6-inch diameter clay, section of clay pipe there, that then comes back into concrete, I believe, yep. Concrete almost immediately. It's another time I've seen weak spots in pipe. That's when they're transitioning different materials for whatever the heck reason they did that. Was whatever was on site during the day in 1920 when they put these in, but whatever it was. When it's going back and forth between clay and concrete, it always seems that the joints are weaker. It's a root intrusion. There, you see the roots. I'm sure the other guy pointed all this out to you as well. But
I wasn't here when he was.
Oh, he wasn't? There you weren't. So, there's a seam about every 2 feet in this pipe. It's where they shoved male-female pipe just shoved together. There was no glue, there's no gasket, there's nothing holding these together other than the just force of having them together. So, in those seams, that's where the roots come through.
Sounds like a vulnerable.
Yes, so it's a vulnerable spot, and that's also when they started angling them and diving them, they're just not. They've been in the ground 80 years, 100 years.
100 years.
They're falling apart. So right here, we're going from 6-inch diameter pipe back into 4-inch. This is generally right at your property line. We're damn close to it usually. Let's see if we're going to zero out our footage again. Call that 32 feet of 6-inch diameter pipe. Zero us out as we come back in the 4-inch now.
Yeah, I think that transition's just inside our fence.
Yeah.
Just based on work we had this looked out many years ago.
Okay.
And we're advised you're going to need to do something. You can probably wait a little bit. So.
Yep, it's.
So now's the time to do it.
Postponing the inevitable with these cold concrete pipes. That's what just happens as it gets rough over time. Is that concrete? I mean, it's been having
just eroded for 100 years.
Yeah, exactly. So and then it just starts catching the sewage, and you combine that with these roots that are blocking off 70-80% of the pipe. You start getting the blockages, and backups.
Yeah, about once a year, I've just augured that out.
Yeah.
And
kept it limping along.
That's we've been able to avoid blockages, backups.
So we go into PVC here in these last, so there's about 40 feet of 4-inch old concrete pipe, then we come back into a section of PVC that's been replaced. Looks like immediately outside the home.
Yeah.
I'm like kicking on a sink upstairs, or is that hooked in? Yeah. I'm going to end the recording there. I'll rinse this thing off.